Are you wake up, my love? Good morning, my love. Hi, my love, Jan Bundin. Hello, also. Hi, Manger. Hello to you. And you know what? I got reaction of what I said this morning. My golly, wow. I don't know. I'm not mentioning any names. Why? Why your reaction? Don't be assuming what I say. So please make sure that you think that I'm talking to you. Alright? So, I have surprise video because video maybe tomorrow or next day because someone said that princess cannot go that place because he is stolen with somebody. Think that I've never be stolen anything, huh? Never been. And we talk about again and being a good Samaritan. If you're being a good Samaritan and there is God in your life, don't counting on what you have. Because this kind of a song I sing, give what you can, the Lord will bless you more. Give what you can, spending more and more. If you give what you can, and the Lord will bless you more. So give what you can to the Lord. You get that? If you are giver to somebody needed, don't counting that and don't insulting that in social media. But someone, it's in my side, it's not insulting because ever since I never been asking for to have for water for my own son because on the day that my son that saying, Mom, I'm thirsty. I said, wait. I'm finding some street seller or something like that or a store. I said, wait. And then someone heard that when my son said he's a thirsty. I'm never asking for someone that, hey,